Matt, talking to Mustang. We're going to see about getting this (1987 to 1993) console cup holder panel from Daniel Carpenter Mustang Restoration Parts installed on the Fox body. So you can see this is one piece, didn't come with anything other than this console in the box. It's got the little opening for the parking brake, emergency brake, a little opening for the mirror. If you have the power mirrors in your Fox, the little button goes through here, and then there is a 12-volt power thing plug here, and then 2 USB ports on the second plug. They both have like little rubber caps, which is pretty cool. And then there is a wiring harness connection thing that attaches to both of them. So let's see how easily the factory one comes out and the new one goes in. So looks like you just have to pull up on the trim around the shifter boot, and there's a couple of screws at the top. I assume there's something back here. It looks like where the actual like storage thing is, whatever you want to call this, armrest storage, is a separate piece. So we're just gonna be taking this out. I have to figure out how to do the buttons for the power mirrors. I might have said windows a minute ago, but and then we're getting rid of this ashtray. Oh, okay, that came out pretty easily. To see what else needs to be done. Hopefully this shouldn't take too long. Famous last words for any car project. So to get to the screws that are here, you have to remove the center armrest, and you got to start by assuming that you still have these plugs. You got to pull these out, and then there, I think mine has one missing, but there should be 2 screws or bolts on each side. I think I just have one on this side and 2 on the other. In the video that I watched, they said that it was like a 5/8 or 5/16, I can't remember, but whatever is different about my car, I grabbed a 10mm, and that seems to be the right size, but we'll see. Okay, and then this is just gonna, if I can get the camera to show it, this should just come right up. And it gives you access to 2 more screws. And you can see on the new piece, there's a couple holes here, so should be pretty straightforward fit, but we'll see. Okay, so now I got these 2 screws up. Seems like it lifts straight up, but gotta make sure you unplug the power mirrors and the cigarette lighter. So these both came out pretty easily. Nothing too difficult, which is good. And now I just have to figure out how to take the Windows switch out of the factory console to get it on the new console. Okay, so I got this part out. It took a little precision. You have to push down, so it goes in like this, and you just basically have to push down on very carefully on these. Can't get the camera working. On these 4 tabs, you can kind of see that they stick out and they keep the button in on this little ledge, and there's 2 on each side. And once I pushed those all in at the same time, it came out pretty easily. Just fell out, so that's good. Now I'm going to try and get the new piece fit on, can't speak. Let's see. So it seems like since there's just this one thing that you're reusing, you're not using the second. So it looks like of the factory plugs, I can't get this. So there's, if you can see, there's 2. The smaller one seems like it fits with the new wiring harness. So let's see if we can get that situated. Of course, I'm like completely forgetting the thing that I just did, which is take the power mirror switch out, where it obviously goes to the other plug. So this is what happens when you are like stream of consciousness talking while you're doing a thing. Don't mind me. So we're gonna get the power mirror switch back in here. Seems like it's a tight fit. But went in, okay. And then get the wiring harness that I completely forgot about a minute ago. Okay, that went in pretty easily. And I can see a blue light coming out of the power plug, so that's good. Something is off. Okay, there we go. Looks like it fits pretty well. I'm just gonna get the hardware back in and then put the armrests back in and then make sure everything's flush. So it took a little finagling, but I got it down. You can see there's some blue lights on the USB, the new USB ports. I haven't tried the mirror yet. It's a little off right here, but I mean, it's, you know, it's 1980s Ford engineering. combined with aftermarket part. So just gotta see how it looks once I get the armrest back on. I mean, you can also see I mean, maybe not as well on the camera, but the color is a little bit different on the new part versus on the, the trim on the OEM trim, whatever you want to call it. I mean, what can you do? This car is 33 years old. I think it matches close enough. And again, the function aspect is what's important, right? So now I can put as many Dr. Pepper zeros or cream soda Dr. Pepper or whatever I want to put in my cup holders and power multiple things at once. Great success. Modernizing the Fox Mustang. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Pretty cool. Look. Beverages. Dr. Pepper, cherry, 0 sugar. These are for Jorge and all my Venezuelan friends with broken taste buds. Well, I'm pretty excited to have a cup holders and a more modernized console panel thing. So thanks for watching. If you're still here, not bored out of your mind. If you're new to my channel and you like my videos, please hit subscribe and keep an eye out for more updates on the Fox Mustang project and maybe something eventually new on the 2014 Mustang, the Dude Stang. Hope you're staying healthy. Hope you're staying safe. Peace out.